Hey y'all, it's Dr. LaWanda Hill here, and I stopped by with a few announcements. First and foremost, we have officially launched our immersive workshops where women gather with other women who are interested in becoming higher version of themselves. Now, our workshops are different, but they're curated. Each workshop is different and they're curated specifically with a topic that centers every aspect of the woman. This month, we are focusing on our sexual health because it is Sexual Health Awareness Month. And our very first workshop is Discover Your Pathway to Pleasure, where we will be discussing the many different pathways by which we can arrive there. And then the second workshop is Courageous Conversations, where we will be talking about how do we confidently communicate those desires to our partners. Many of these workshops that we offer are free to women who are on our mailing list. So if you've already subscribed, thank you. You should have already received an email welcoming you to the community. If you haven't, that's my second announcement. You want to go to your promotions or your spam box to make certain that you move us to the inbox so that you can get these amazing announcements for the workshops that we're offering. Finally, if you are not subscribed but you want to enter into this community with other women who are seeking to become higher version of themselves, go over to www.drlawandahill.com, click that subscribe button so that you can join the community of other women who are interested in becoming higher versions of themselves. I'll see y'all soon.